Alright, so I want to show you guys how to use this camera. This is the point and shoot that we will be using in class. That's what it looks like. Not much to it, very small. Little hand hold here where you put your hand in here. Okay, and then you flip the door open on the side. You hear that little sound. Let me turn the microphone closer here. And all the controls are right here on a touch screen. Right here, and this is really difficult for a lot of students, this is the lens, built-in lens cap. You'll hear it snapping. Opens the lens, closes it, opens, close. That's kind of important to remember that. All right, the screen can be flipped back toward you, or I mean toward the subject or yourself, just so you can do like self videos and things like that, or selfies. So we are going to open that up, and there's a couple things you got to know here how to use this thing. All right, one, to get the memory card out, you open the door on the side here, but you really need to turn it off first. So that would be, there's an on and off button right here on top. I'm going to zoom in on this. That's the wrong way. All right. Okay, it's hard to see that, but it's right here. The on and off button right there. Okay. Turns it off. Open this door up, and the memory card comes out sort of sideways. Okay. It doesn't go straight in. It's a bit sideways. Okay, I don't know if you can see the angle there, but it doesn't go straight in. It's sideways. See how that's kind of at an angle there. All right, and you can hear it snapping when it goes in. You got to close the little door over it. All right, if you don't do that, the camera will not work. All right, to get it to come back on, you can hit this or just simply close the window, reopen it. All right, ta-da! Magic sound. All right, so okay, you've got the it's an autofocus lens or autofocus camera, so you're not focusing this thing. But the zoom control is right here on top. Okay, where my finger is, my index finger. You pull to zoom in, push the other way to zoom out, and then you can also control the speed that you're zooming too. You can just if I flip the window, you won't be able to see it very well. But if I pull just a little bit, say here's fast. You can see it zoom in super fast and then zoom out super fast. You want to, obviously, depending on what effect you want, if you're rolling at the time, you want to probably do a really slow zoom. But hey, that depends on what you like. And also that's set up for rule of thirds too, which will help you in composition. All right. Now, when you are filming with this, and you're going to want to try to keep it steady. So you got your elbows against your body. You're supporting it underneath like this. And let's say you're panning. Like that, pan real smooth, keep it level, and then of course tilt, like this, and then you can do pedestal and stuff like that. But this essentially is the camera we'll be using for the entire school year from this point on. And you'll take the memory card out to download your files, put it back in here, and then go through the menu to erase the files. Okay, and we'll have a little video to show you that, but this is it. That's how it works. Always put your hand in here, hold it. Right, it's right-handed only. Sorry, I'm left-handed, so I understand how irritating that can be. Flip the door open. There's the sound. And make sure your little lens cap, as you can see, closed, open. Make sure when you set it down and not using it, you close it so you don't damage the lens, okay? That's it. Go Texans.